Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Rafe, what do we have here, Rafe? We've got another 720. Why is it here? Tell the people. The 100 subscribers. We have a maniac here at the shop nowadays. His name is Rafe Khan. We have a box. We have Sinclair. What he's gonna do with it, I don't know. But ladies and gentlemen, we have a 720s, another McLaren that's gonna be wrapped by yours truly, Rafe. Oh. No, I'm joking. So me and Rafe are gonna be attacking the 720. The main goal today is to obviously get it started, and we're also gonna be doing. What are we installing? Downpipes and tune. We're doing a downpipes and a tune on this car as well. So Conde's gonna be able to help with that part of things. So the main goal is turn the car on today, hear it, listen to it, all warm and whatnot, get it on stands, take the wheels off, and take the front bumper and basically prep the whole front end, and then basically take apart the doors. As much as we can take apart today, that would be great, because then that'll set us. Wait, what? That'll set us up real good for the rest of the week. So we have, what is in here?
Pipes.
Oh, is it actually? Ooh. Pipes. These are the pipes for the 720. Yo, hey,
titanium.
Those look good. But ladies and gentlemen, you already know I'm excited for this one. Let's go ahead and get this thing warmed up. We're gonna have to open up the garage a little bit, get it warmed up, and rev it a bit. Get some before revs. That way, when we install the test pipes and the exhaust, we'll be able to notice the difference. So what we are taking apart is the mirrors. Obviously this little skirt piece right here, so we can do the door a lot easier. The front bumper's coming off. These hood scoops, anything that obviously will help us tuck in deep, we're gonna be removing. Most of this stuff is also gonna be coming off, especially for the downpipes. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead, open the rest of this box, set it all up, get this car warm, and hear her.
Damn right, I'll record, don't worry.
What? I got a pipe for you. Yeah, you don't know how to do nothing with this mechanic stuff. Put it back over here.
I can install those.
What? On what?
That car right there.
Yeah, you're a cap. Anyways, Sinclair open up the other one. Watch this. Rafe, pull out the Jenny. We got some pipes for her. Oh wait, you got rid of the Jenny. He has no Jenny no more. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the pipes. They look good. They look very blue. They look very, very fresh. Did I say they look good already? They look very well made as well. Compared these pipes to the other ones, the 570 ones, these definitely look a lot better. I don't know if you saw them. Did you ever see them?
Not out of the box, but I saw them on the car.
On the car, yes. Anyways, we have this exhaust that replaces the muffler part, and then these are the actual downpipes. So these have to go in the car, and then that's pretty much it. And then we just wrap the car, and then that's that. Pretty basic if you ask me, right, Rafe?
Cool, bro.
What's the word of the day? Oh my god. Bro. Stuck. I'm only trying to like. You're canceled, bro. You're canceled. What's the word of the day, bro?
Colonoscopy.
Colonoscopy. Okay, cool. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. The 2 words of the day. Let's go ahead and let's start this car and then hear what she sounds like right now.
Ah, my back!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is starter. Let it warm up. Gotta open this real quick, so we'll see what it do. Just like that, we have transformed the 720 into a FRS. Shit, but hey, I think she's all warmed up now. Let's go ahead and set up the camera right over here. Let's see what clips we can get. Visor cable. All right, let's hear her. know you guys heard that. She sounds very restricted right now. Rafe, what are you doing?
Going on a ride.
Oh. Bruh, you stalled. So I was just, you know, looking in the back already. And as you can see, someone's been here before. There's a bolt missing right there. There's a bolt missing right there. Whereas there's bolts not missing over here. Right there. And then this one has a bolt as well. So it has bolts missing. So that's gonna be fun. Not sure how they went missing. Obviously someone's been here before. So we're gonna see what's up. Obviously more things that we find I'm gonna keep track of. But go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery and get going on this. So I don't think there's ever a time where there's not a supercar that we do touch that is completely perfect, because this car has also been what we like to call it violated. Not like bad violation, but it's been touched with obviously before. So this one's a bit loose. This one's way more looser. So there's something going on right there. That should not be as loose as it is. And then in the front, obviously we have caps missing that obviously show these torque screws for the tub. These ones were there, so these are literally the caps that are missing on the other one. Nothing major, but it has been messed with. Obviously this is where the battery goes. I mean, dealerships try to mess with this, I'm pretty sure, often. So that's been touched. Point is, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect that battery and then just get going on the rest of this stuff and see how far we can go. I really want to get the bumper off, mainly the front end, taking apart today. So that is the goal. We'll see. All right, so Rafe, stat, how much are these? $1,000.
$1,000.
$1,000. You're able to remove this one, no problem, obviously, by these gracious hands. And then this one was obliterated. So there already has a broken clip right here. That was already broken as is. This one I haven't even touched. Is it there? Okay, this one has it. Rafe, record. Right here, like this. I'm gonna show them how to get it out the proper way. So first, you grab the thingy-mabobber. Put your hand right over here. Sneak the pry tool a little bit in there. Gotta be a little careful. You don't want to scratch nothing else, and then you just shake it. There it is. Oh, this one came off its feet too. Well, at least that can get fixed. But yeah, this one's been touched, man. Obviously you can tell, like, these, like, they didn't even put them in, like, okay, it doesn't matter. We're fixing it, so yeah, that's that. Welcome to the supercar world. That's that. All right, Rafe, tell the people how hard it was to take this one wheel off. Like, I got the Ugga, did not want to do it. I used the breaker bar, didn't even want to do it with the breaker bar. So next best thing was you grab, where'd it go? Oh, right there. You got the pipe. You use the breaker bar and the pipe, and it broke the two that we needed off, because apparently somebody went a little crazy on the torque specs on this one. But anyways, we have all the wheels off. Now me and Rafe are gonna go ahead and take off the wheel well bolts and basically take the AC. Not the AC, sorry. He distracted me with his dumbness. Anyways, we have these bolts in here, pretty simple. We have more missing bolts, so that's not quite a surprise anymore. We have that one right there that's missing. Is there any more? Yep, up there, there's missing one right there. So this car obviously has been touched, so we'll see what else we find missing. But let me go ahead and remove this wheel well real quick. So we're definitely, I'll say it again, coming to a realization that a lot of hardware is kind of missing. And then those are off though. Whoever put this back, I think that might just be a relief cut, I'm not sure, but that's that. Those are the rear ones, these are the front ones. But everything else here looks pretty good. I mean, it looks broken over here. I'll see what I find, cause it's a mystery. We'll see. Like little things that I find here and there, I'm gonna show it, cause look at that. So someone's already obviously tried to pry this door open. I've only taken this part off, which is what you're supposed to do. So that's that. I gotta record everything because this car has been played with. Down here too. Man, This red looks real red on camera, bro. Real red, real red. All right. Point is, the whole front end is done. Well, not done, but like it's off the car. Simple process. And then taking apart the bumper is the next goal. Taking apart the bumper and basically having it prepped for tomorrow. We'll be able to do the sensors, the bumper, do the fenders, the hood, and basically everything else. And I do want to get the doors done today. That way we can just basically move on all tomorrow and just basically wrap. So that's the goal, right, Rafi? First things first. This door has to come off. Not the door, but the panel. So let's do it. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, it is another day. We're alive. We're well. We're up. It is 12:32 on June. What is it today? June 25th. June 25th. And we have both doors taken apart. We have this like skirt piece taken off the door. We have mirrors off. Mirrors over here. I actually already got it started on this one. I actually have to take it apart now, so that's gonna be fun. I actually enjoy doing that part, so that's gonna be easy. I have the other mirror, so I'm gonna be banging out both mirrors while Rafa's banging out this. So whatever adhesive was used for this emblem on the 720 is pretty harsh, so he's just been testing it to see if it'll go away or it'll show through the wrap, because we're not gonna be putting those back on. But everything else is going pretty smooth. We haven't found anything else in the car that's out of the ordinary. Nothing's been broken yet, or like we found broken. We're not gonna break anything. I mean, full disclosure, we're not breaking stuff. We're not breaking anything. Anyways, next thing I have to take apart is this bumper, which is actually a lot easier than I thought. It's just carbon pieces with clips and a couple Torx, and then that's it. So that'll be that. But we're looking pretty good. Car looks pretty taken apart. Obviously you got the hood, you got fenders, you got doors, you got mirrors all ready to get wrapped. Same with these pieces. Obviously these were very dirty, so Rafa did a good job cleaning the other ones. But after this is basically the whole rear end. Boom! Look at that. After a day of doing just mirrors, literally taking them apart and then putting it back together, we have both mirrors fully wrapped up. Now Rafa man over here. Hey. Oh my lord.
Hold on, trust the
process. Rafa, what is going on over here?
the process, okay?
He just hides it. Well, he's doing that part of the door. I have to go ahead and get my side prepped as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the doors with this man. That way I could actually put the mirrors back on, Rafa. And then you can focus on maybe the hood. I don't even know. Anyways. Wow. It's actually laid.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Alright, but he's gonna go ahead, finish that. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna get started. Cause well, first bathroom break. But I think I already showed these. Yeah, I already did. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna bang that one out. Watch this. What, Rafa? What, Rafa? Let's see.
Oh.
Alright. You finally got the inside, the inner piece. Now it's whoa.
Your fault.
Bro, what? This is perfect. Look at that, guys. No crumps, no something.
Trust the process.
What's it called? No crimples, no crumps, no what?
Wrinkles?
No wrinkles. No wrinkles. Anywhere. My boy Conde over here, you know what I'm saying, dealing with a bolt in the back. How you like it, McLaren?
It would have been nice if they were untouched.
So, as I've said before, this car has been absolutely violated. Well, not violated. That's I'm over like exaggerating on that one, but it has been touched. There was one stripped bolt right off the bat for the diffuser of the 720. As you can tell, it's right here on the very tip of this drill bit because we had to drill it out.
I had to break the pressure off.
So that is obviously an issue. Not really a big issue. I don't know whoever stripped the bolt before, but now we have 4 Allen keys that are all like being little, you know. There's 3 of them. There's just one. But we're finding a bunch of stuff in these cars, and we can't really avoid stuff like that. Sad to say that. What? Everybody messes up McLarens too, or they'll treat them like Hondas or something, right, Rafa?
Damn right.
But he's doing the inside piece. It's looking less wrinkly.
Trust the process, man.
Less wrinkly. I'm about to go ahead and prep my side. It's already clean. I just gotta go ahead and finish with the knifeless and whatnot, and then we should be good.
So that'll be the door. Let's go ahead and do it. So everybody be thinking that these cars are easy to wrap just like that. This is what this part looks like when you start. On camera it doesn't look bad, but like this is all the room I have. This is my arm. Look at that. It's like no room in here. And then like you have to do all this stuff. Rafe, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, bro.
Oh no, you're
Look at
getting sick. It's starting to look, whoa, over there, man.
shut up,
Over
shut
there,
up.
man.
I still gotta fix
Nah, I'm joking, but it's coming along good so far, somewhat. I mean, it's coming along, so looks good. I got. Oh shit!
Party in the back. Can you see the
Party in the back. Party in the back, this man. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been able to take.
the axle back off? Well,
Axle
I call it an
back.
axle back. I
Yeah.
don't know if it's an axle back, but
It looks like an axle back, cause look at this. Now, I'm not quite sure if this is OEM, but it has McLaren on their stamp, so that's a very small muffler for a very big, you know, name car. But while he was going in here, he actually saw that it had bolts missing. So these two on both sides are missing, which is kind of insane, cause like, I mean, they're not going anywhere, but
yeah, but
like
yeah.
it's missing. Like these were missing. Like, and then he found the two bolts that were missing on the tail light. So he was like, where'd they go?
Yeah, I took off this side and I'm like, alright, bet now I know. And then fucking they're
Walked
gone
over to the other
already.
side. He's like, hold on.
I was like, hold on, bro.
Now it's just the pipes, huh?
Yeah, now it's just the downpipes and
There it is.
sensors.
Oh yeah, but quarter panels are off. So, you know, we got all that space, and now he can actually get down in there really deep. Should be
I
good.
gotta take
It
this
should be
off,
good.
So I dropped a little bolt and I went bang.
He's like, damn, now you gotta fish for it.
Yeah.
But door's done. The door is also done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the hood right now, and then probably put the mirror back on this, do the fender, and then be able to put the doors back together, and then that should be a good day. And then probably start disassembly on that, because that needs to get touched. So everything's going good. Material's laying real nice. It feels nice, right, Rafe? Say yes.
Sure.
Bro, just say yes, not sure.
Bro.
I just have video evidence of you assaulting me. I have video evidence. I will go to authorities. I will. HR.